Alright, I'm back out here. I've discovered a few things since I took off the plastics on here. And notice that it kind of sags a little bit, so I'm going to try to loosen these up. I don't have the tool, but I'm going to use some channel locks maybe and open that thing up. I don't want to mess it up a lot, but I'm going to try that before I go buy a tool. Alright. Okay, folks. Got the channel locks. It seems like it's working. I tried to loosen the top one, but it seems like it just wants to like spin the whole thing. So that's what I'm going to do. Seems like that's working. Yep, seems to work. It's like I was getting too much sag when I was out there at that Red River motorcycle place. So this seems to be working. Let's put the channel locks. There we go. So I didn't have to purchase that tool. I don't crank it down too far.
You got that bicycle from him, that powered bicycle.
Yeah,
too, right?
gas powered one.
That's pretty cool.
Hell, the guy down like 2 doors down gave it to me. I got it all running now.
Oh, do you?
Yeah,
Cool.
yeah. I put like it needed like a chain titcher like that. I put on it, and then I had to replace the back wheel. He was getting rid of it, but I got it running, man. It's
That's
like
cool.
it's like a 2-stroke. You know?
That's cool.
But it's pretty cool, man.
Yeah.
You saw me on that.
Well, I
Yeah.
saw you pull it from that guy's over to here. I wanted to ask you about it.
I got it running, man.
That's awesome.
That basically the spark plug was all crudted up. That was the main thing.
Oh, yeah?
That was really bad. But that back wheel, all the spokes were ripped out. The chain had come off and tore off the spokes, and it was like wonk, wonk, wonk.
Oh, yeah.
But I got it going now.
That's great. That's cool. That was cool looking. It's older too, right?
It is. It's kind of become a trend here
50s or
lately.
60s or something. That one?
I don't know if it's that old, but it is kind of old. But it's kind of become a trend. People are putting those
Yeah.
on bikes now.
Uh-huh.
But he said this is kind of old, but people are doing it again.
Uh-huh. Yeah, they
but
are.
I got it running though.
Yeah, you can buy one for like $750, I think.
Well,
New
shit,
one.
you can buy an engine for like $100. I
Put it
showed
on your own bike. Yeah.
it. Put it on your own bike. Yeah,
They're pretty cool.
it's pretty neat. Yeah.
Take care.
You too, man. All right, here we go. See how it feels. That was the mailman. The mailman. He's cool. He was petting our cat the other day. Sam. Crank it up. Crank it a little bit more. I think it needs a little bit more. I think there's some gas in there too. It's got like this little valve, like a bicycle tire. You can pump air in there. It's got like a needle. You know, see that? Little needle. I've never put any air in it. Not yet. Alright. See how that works. I'm not that skilled of a welder yet though. I'm on the lowest level. Well, not the lowest level. I guess there's people that don't even know how. see how it works out. Crank it down just a little more. Add. See how that works. I think that's good. I'll test it for a while. Can I move that thing right there? Right there you can see like it's almost like a ½ inch down on the original setting. Yep. I mean that way like 210, 215 seems to be fine. I'm gonna tighten that chain up a little bit.